morning, J Riders. How y'all doing this morning? Happy Grand Rising. Happy Saturday. So I'm up early. I'm getting some exhaust work done on the Acura RDX Turbo. I know a lot of people haven't really posted much on exhaust modifications on these, so hopefully you guys will like this and y'all spread the word. What I'm doing, doing a rear muffler delete, straight pipe, and a couple of weeks ago I did a Magnaflow. Let's back up. I did a Magnaflow. I guess you call it Magnaflow cherry bomb is what I can reference it to, which is just the red Glasspack. And so I did that for my resonator, and now I'm doing the straight pipe in the back. So you can hear it behind me. He's working on it. See what happens, man. I'm gonna do a before and after, and hope, like I said, once again, hope y'all guys like it. Please subscribe to my channel for all awesome videos that I do. Hashtag JRideReviews. And like I always tell y'all, be good. And if you ain't gonna be good at it. It's on the rack right behind me right here. So there it is, folks. Rear muffler delete, stock resonator delete, and also the got the muffler straight pipe back here. So y'all check out the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. JRideReviews on YouTube. Thank y'all.